Hello developers, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a full stack web application with just one comment. And this is the alternative of Bolt.new and Lovable AI. You can use it as the alternative of the Lovable and the Bolt.new. And when you will give one prompt there for making a full stack web application, then it will start generating all of the codes, all of the code base and preview for you. And you can customize the database, environment variables and the general settings like deployment subdomain from here. And you can also export it and publish it on a domain. And you can also get the command palette here. And it will at first create the PRD for you, then it will start developing the whole full stack web application for you. So here I have already given a prompt for making a peer-to-peer resource sharing platform. And it's almost done. And after giving a prompt, you will see the code. The codes are not, the code base is not formatted. So don't worry, after completing the whole application it will be automatically formatted. And you can export it and publish it. Don't worry about the formatting. It's like you'll see the some codes are not formatted there. It's like them, the codes are not formatted yet, but it will be formatted after a while. Just wait for 5 to 10 minutes and you can see the agent is thinking about your web application. And the application is going to make is going to made in the latest bit and using the React 18 and the Redux UI for the front-end components, and the Axios for connecting the API, and the recharts for the charts, and the React DOM for the router. And you can see the application is almost already completed, and you can see the preview here. After a while, just wait 2-3 minutes. And the last thing is it's created a lot of pages and components, but you will not see those are not enlisted in the code base now. But after creating the whole application, the code base will be automatically indexed, and you can see all of the files from this code section. And you can see it by and by its own name. You should not be worried about anything when you will use the AI find.dev. Just search it with AI find.dev and explore it, and throw a comments on this video if you find it helpful. And that's it. And this is an AI agent, so you should not worry about the issues and the errors. It will fix automatically by its own brain. The agent will think, the agents are will think by their own brain and by their own database. So here it found an issue and the build error here, and it's fixing. You can see here I did not do any comment after completing the application, but it found the issue automatically by it. So it's fixing the issue by automatically. And I think it is the most powerful AI agent now, and it's also powerful than Bolt AI. You can use it for the alternative of the Bolt. Yes, you can see it already made a lot of tables and database tables. You also make the new tables on the you can see the default skills, the default reviews, default messages, exchanges, and user skills there. And you can also add row columns there. And you can also add environment variables from here. And you can also add an AI instruction for instructing it when you will comment from this server. So if you see an instruction on every time when you will give a prompt from here, it will remember the instruction from here, and the default will be on this domain. Uh, but the Bolt AI will make the website in just minutes, but this find.dev AI will make your website in almost 10 to 15 minutes, but it will make better than the Bolt and Lovable. I don't know, you should explore it, then you can you will be you can know about this ai.find.dev. Just search in the Google or in your browser with ai.find.dev.